morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, I have the denim drop from Coach. I have both the signature and the cherry collection in denim. So I have some strong thoughts about it, guys. And I bought a lot of stuff from both collections, and I want to share with you my thoughts and feelings. But we are about to get into this denim haul, and I'll talk you guys through it and come back at the end and let you know how I felt. All right, guys, so we're back. I really anticipated this collection because of the color. The denim is the perfect color for me. I absolutely love that shade of denim wash, if you will. I did miss out on the 2023 drop. I did get a couple pieces from 2024. I wasn't satisfied with the colors in 2024. To me, this collection is very similar to the 23 collection as well. It's the same denim color, okay? So that's one reason why I was anticipating it, because I wanted it so bad, okay? But I'll share my thoughts as to whether I like how I feel about this collection towards the end. But let's get started with the actual haul. Alright guys, so this is what I picked up from the Coach denim drop that they just did. I picked up these 5 pieces and I'm super satisfied with them. I do wish that they would have had more of a selection for the purses and handbags, but they didn't, so what can a girl do? And I also wish that they had a better selection on the wallets, but they didn't, so it is what it is. The one thing I did love is that they added the cherry pieces, the charms, on most of the pieces, so that was nice. I love the color combination of the pieces. Yeah, so I'm satisfied with what I have. Those colors look amazing together. Like, they look absolutely amazing together. So I'm satisfied with it. And I don't feel like I'm going to purchase anything else from the collection. I think this is great. I do have some other bags that I want to use this collection with, actually. So stay tuned for that. But overall, I actually am in love with this collection. Just wish it was more of a variety. All right, guys. So here is the other drop that Coach did with their denim. This is the denim signature cherry collection, and this one is the one I hands down am mad crazy about. So I picked up quite a few pieces from this collection because they had such a great variety. So I picked up the city tote. This is the large city tote, and I cannot wait to wear her. She is massive. She is huge, but I really, really love her. She's a big girl, but hey, I'm in love with her. Here's the tag right here, so you can see this is the back of the bag, and that is the true color of the bag right there. Okay, so I picked up 2 of the L-shaped wristlets. Normally I'll grab 1, but I decided to grab 2 because a lot of times I change my purses and I don't like pulling things out of them. So I actually got 2 of these, and I don't know, I just felt the need to get 2 this time, but they are so, so pretty, and they always come in handy. This is a staple that I normally get when I purchase a new collection. All right, guys, and so also I picked up the notebook. The notebook is so cute, and by me having the big bag, the big city tote, I absolutely had to get the notebook, and it is so, so cute, and it comes very handy because I do running a lot of errands, a lot of grocery shopping and things like that, so I figured she would come in really handy. And I also picked up the card wallet with the gold chain. I love these. I wish they had this in the other collection because these are one of my staple pieces as well. I love them since they started coming out with these. I probably have so many of these, but I absolutely love these. So I picked up one of these as well. And last but definitely not least, I have the mini city tote, guys. Oh my God. I love her so much. She is hands down my favorite piece out of every single thing that I purchased. She is my favorite piece. And I am so happy with her. So happy with her. My niece had a fit when I pulled her out, and she was like, oh God, auntie, I got to have that. So I did just order her one. They were $79. I'll put it on the screen, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous. She comes with that shoulder strap, but of course I'm not going to use the shoulder straps. I'm just going to use the little handle. Absolutely just adorable. Just absolutely adorable. All right, guys, so here is the final picture of everything that I got from the Denim Coach Signature Cherry Collection. These are all the pieces that I got, all 2, 4, 6 of them, and I am super satisfied with the purchase. Guys, this drop was amazing. I'm satisfied with everything that I purchased from it. I definitely don't need anything else. I'm looking forward to carrying it. And yeah, that's it. So definitely head over to Coach Outlet to see if they have anything left, guys. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye.